Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, November the 24th, November the 2nd, November the 2nd, 2024. It's actually today, Sunday, November the 3rd. And I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. And it's time now for the last puzzle, the 4 stars jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in Dutch they call it Cyber Block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one is indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. Well, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 9 printed digits. Should be the hard one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. And this will be number 9528. Alright. 30 minutes or more. Is it really 4 stars? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only 1 single box. Single box always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? I see only 1 dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. We don't know in which order. Next question, do we have here triple box? I see here a triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 2 is already given. So those 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. So this box 4 or a 5. Same for the other side. This box near the middle box 4 or a 5. Here another triple box. The 2 is already given. The 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Same for the other side, 4 or a 5. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Alright, more triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? I see 1 quadra box in an L shape. And when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the box, the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. And other numbers could be everywhere. More quadra boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay. More T-shapes in this puzzle. Yes. Here. Another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. Here. Another one. This box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. Here. Another T-shape. Wow, there's a lot. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the S construction. If you flip this or mirror this, then you will get the Z construction. It's the same shape. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. The S construction. Do we have more S constructions here? No, only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Well, it can be 5. We have a 5 here. 4 and a 5. This box 4 or 5. We have a 5 there, so this box will be a 4. Is connected with that box will be so a 4. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? I believe the last shape. I believe. Do not know. Let me see. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so a 5. 4 or 5. We have a 5 now. So this box should be a 4. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now. So this box should be a 4 then. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra L shape. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this L shape. Quadra box L shape for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes and there. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can it be 1 or a 2? We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1 should be a 2, give me 3, can be 4, we have a double 4 there, can be 5, yes definitely 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and the 4, we have 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here and the 3 goes there, 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there, 3 should be here, 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So another pair in this area are the numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. No 1 goes there. This box is also connected with that box. So 2 and a 3. Alright. Then. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. 1 or 2. We have a 1 now. So this can be 1 and more. This should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be so 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. No 1 goes there. Let me think. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. And that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be here. Let me think. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be here. Okay. Oh. These two boxes can be 3, so one box left for the 3 should be there. Is connected with that box should be so 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution place the 3 there. If I place the 3 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be so 3, but we already have a 3 there. So not the solution place the 3 there. The 3 supposed to be here. I think this box should be a 5. Because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be so 5. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is connected with that box, should be so 1 and 2. This one is connected with that box, should be so a 4. Alright. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. And this one is also connected with that box, should be so 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Is connected with that box, should be so 1 and a 5. This box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 5. Well, we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 5. And 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 1 is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4. And the 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so this can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 2 numbers left now in this S construction for the numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box, should be so 4 and 5. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 3. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow. This one, I've looking forward for solving this because I thought maybe this one was a hard one, but it seems it's not a 4, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Should be a 0 stars and faster than 13 minutes. So very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. So have a great and fantastic Sunday. Until then, bye bye for now.